Hi everyone, this is Huda from Huda Beauty Tips. Welcome to my channel. Please do subscribe, like and share with your family and friends, and do comment below for any tips or any mask you guys want me to use it on my face. Today's mask which I'll be using is right from the brightening to detan. It helps your skin boost up the collagen and makes you look younger, and it helps you get rid of acne and pigmentation spots which are usually on our nose and the cheeks area. So this mask is with all-purpose flour and milk. All-purpose flour is the best thing you have in your house. It's like it really brightens your skin. So I'll be mixing the all-purpose flour, which is also called MAIDAH in Urdu or Hindi, and milk, which everyone knows what is it. So we'll be mixing it today and we'll be applying it on our face. I have no makeup on right now except for lipstick because I can't live without it.